Hello everyone, we are from Group 7 of 2 BTMS. Will be presenting our global sourcing project.
This is our project name, Textilish. It's come out from a mix of words textile and stylish to make it simple and easy to recognize. Our sourcing country is China because China is the largest textile industry in the world. China's big advantage in textile industry is price. Their exports are usually cheaper than many other countries like Brazil or Thailand. The reason that China can do this easily is due to the small amount of pay they offer to their employees. Compared to other countries, they are among the lowest in pay. Although this does not benefit Chinese workers, it would to the advantage of countries trying to buy their product. After a years of development, China managed to lead the market with their own technological innovation for a better textile quality. China has expert community in textile industry to enable them to come up with new synthetic fiber which help to create their textile. In 2013, relations between the People's Republic of China and Malaysia developed steadily in all fields, and their exchange and cooperation in various fields were upgraded to a new height. Our products are fashion products based on the textile industry. We produce dresses from various types of fabric, such as cotton and silk. To produce the best product, the fabric we use must be of high quality. As we know, the fabric in China, it is available at a low price with the best quality. So we source silk and cotton from China to produce the best dress to meet the need of customer.
There are many established textiles manufacturers in China, but we decided to choose Lu Tai Textile Co Limited. This company is known globally as the world's largest production-based owner of high-grade yarn-dyed shirt fabrics. Other than yarns, they also produce fiber, silk, wool, cotton and other materials which will be our semi-finished goods to be sourced later. There are three purposes of this sourcing activity. The first to be explained is primarily because of the production cost in China. Some might say that it is much cheaper to produce textiles in the US compared to China, but this statement is countered as the textile industry in the US primarily depend on textile import from China. In the late 2020, the textile prices increased up to 40% in China due to the effort on reducing the carbon emissions to cut power and also due to the COVID-19. Nevertheless, it is expected to last only until the end of 2021. Recently, it was reported that the labor cost in China is increasing, thus causing business owners to decide whether to continue their business to and from China. Well, the production cost is also affected, but it is extremely economical. Besides, China government provide incentive for the textile manufacturers to sustain their textile export. Thus, the production cost is still bearable. The second purpose of the sourcing to China is about the quality of raw materials, infrastructure, and everything. As reported in 2016, China's Human Capital Index was 67.81%, much higher compared to the other countries. This is a good measurement to show that the country has a better efficiency in the manufacturing process because there were more skilled laborers. On the other hand, Bangladesh, which also has lower textile production costs, has the lowest index because there were more unskilled laborers. In the same study, China has the best rank in terms of customs procedure, timeliness of shipment, and infrastructure quality. This makes China the most favorable sourcing country compared to other three. The last ultimate purpose is because of China's modern high-technology machineries that aim for the innovation and efficiencies in the textile manufacturing process. China is the best in watching their pace in business and trade as they keep improving in order to be better than their competitors. By having these machineries, best quality can be expected with less lead time and more efficient supply chain.
Costing requirements divided by 4 parts. Each field: import tax, sales tax, custom duty, and logistic costs.
First is import tax. It's also called import tariff. There are 2 tariffs classification systems. They were intra-Asian trades and harmonized systems. All of the imported goods must be categorized based on the Malaysian customs. Asian free trade area including China, normal tariff rates on 60% of goods should be below 5%. Next, rates for non-native garments is 12%, previously 20%. Malaysia's tariff protection is generally lower for raw materials and increased on processed goods. No tariff on cotton while a 10% rate is imposed on textile yarn and 20% rates on cotton knitwear and clothing. For import duty, most products are subject to an excise duty on 10%.
The second is sales tax. Sales tax should be charged and levied on all taxable goods imported into Malaysia by any person. It also should be charged and levied on all taxable goods manufactured in Malaysia by a registered manufacturer and sold, used or disposed by him. Sales tax is among 5% to 10%. 5% is reduced sales tax rates and 10% is default sales tax rates.
Third is custom duty. Custom duty is a levy imposed on imported or exported goods. It's calculated based on the value of the goods being imported or exported. Malaysian Custom imposed a standard goods and service tax (GST) on imported goods at 6%. Last is logistics cost. Logistics cost can be divided by 4. Its will, service cost, transportation cost, inventory cost, and warehouse cost. The regulatory requirements divided by 2. Its will, documentation, and Free Zones Act 1990.
There are 6 documentation. Its will, invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, commercial invoice, and customs import declaration.
The second of the regulatory requirement is Free Zones Act 1990. Free Zones Act 1990 is an act to provide for the establishment of free zones in Malaysia in order to promote the country's economic vitality and for associated reasons. There are 2 types of free zones in Malaysia. That's where free industry zone and free commercial zone. Manufacturing operations are permitted in the FIZ. Various trading activities are permitted in the FCZ. It's covered investment in the manufacturing, delivery through direct or indirect tax cuts.
The 6 Sigma, they are quality management and lean manufacturing. On quality management, it is the act of supervising all activity and tasks that are required to maintain a particular degree of excellence. Quality management including developing a quality strategy, developing and executing quality planning and assurance, quality control and improvement. And it is made up of 4 major parts, that is quality planning, quality assurance, quality control and quality improvement. Quality management is concerned not only with the product and service, but also with the means of achieving it. After the quality management, there are lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a manufacturing method that aims to maximize productivity and minimize waste within a manufacturing operation. Lean manufacturing is all about looking at the timeline from the time the client pays in order to the time we collect the money. Waste are generated by bad layout, long setup times, inadequate process, poor maintenance practice, lack of training, huge batches, and ineffective. Thank you.
Next, I will present about institution receives this product. The first institution is H&M. Hen and Maurice AB is a Swedish multinational apparel company and has operation in 74 countries including Malaysia. H&M is the world's second largest clothes store, ranking third on Gartner's supply chain top 15. H&M approach in increasing sustainable sale through collaboration with local suppliers. China is the main clothing supplier for H&M company. China are top 3 location where H&M resource its product. This is also true for many other fast fashion retail, as the majority of the world clothing supplier come from this country. H&M company normally will buy in loose and rebranding the product and then they sell as their product. The next institution receive the textile product is boutique. Boutique is a major textile sector such as spinning, textile processing, weaving, knitting, ready-made garment, and ready-made textile product. A boutique is a small store that sells stylish clothes or accessory. Clothing also always take other product to sell and give that product a new appeal. Boutique are specialty shop that sell the limited type of product. A large retail chain may offer many type of clothing in one place. Typically, boutique company will buy in bulk. After that, rename the product and then offer it as their own product. That's all from me. Thank you.